China just launched a 904 horsepower desert monster directly into the heart of Toyota Land Cruiser territory, the Middle East, and it might change the off-road SUV world forever. This is the Jetour G700, a hybrid off-road weapon from Chery that costs roughly half of its rivals while absolutely embarrassing them on paper. We're talking 904 horsepower, an incredible 1,400-kilometer range, the ability to spin in place like a tank, and off-road technology that makes the legendary Land Cruiser and the Land Rover Defender suddenly look outdated. For decades, the Middle East has been the Land Cruiser's undisputed stronghold. Now, China has planted a flag right in the middle of it, and the strategy is bold, aggressive, and genuinely terrifying for the established brands. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay till the end for the price that will absolutely shock you. Let's break down this Chinese desert weapon. First, let's meet the Jetour G700. This is the flagship off-road SUV from Jetour, Chery's premium sub-brand. It made its global debut in Dubai in November 2025, after first launching in China in October of that year. And the choice of Dubai for the world premiere was no accident. Chery deliberately unveiled this beast in the Middle East, the exact market where the Toyota Land Cruiser has ruled for generations. What gives the G700 genuine credibility is its construction. This isn't a soft car-based crossover pretending to be tough. It's built on a proper body-on-frame, ladder-frame chassis, the same rugged architecture that made the audacious Land Cruiser and the Defender legendary. This is a real off-roader, engineered for serious abuse. The design reflects that purpose perfectly. The G700 has an imposing, boxy silhouette that commands respect on the road. It's tall, wide, and muscular, giving it a strong, desert-ready presence that feels genuinely intimidating. Positioned directly against the Toyota Land Cruiser, the Lexus GX, the Mercedes G-Class, and the Land Rover Defender, the G700 isn't trying to be a budget alternative. It's aiming straight for the throne, and that alone is a massive statement of ambition from a Chinese automaker. Now let's talk about what really makes this thing terrifying, the powertrain. At the heart of the G700 is Chery's Kunpeng CDMO Super Hybrid system. This combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with dual electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear. Together, they produce a staggering 904 horsepower and an earth-moving 135 Newton-meters of torque. Let that sink in. This is an off-road SUV with nearly the power output of a hypercar. Power is delivered through a smart 2-speed dedicated hybrid transmission, and the result is genuinely shocking performance for a vehicle this size. The G700 can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in as little as 4.2 to 4.8 seconds. That's supercar-level acceleration in a 3-ton off-road machine. But the real genius is in the hybrid engineering. The G700 uses a CATL Shanxing battery built on an advanced 800-volt platform, which supports incredibly fast charging, going from 30 to 80% in just 10 to 15 minutes. And thanks to the hybrid system, the combined range reaches an astonishing 400 kilometers. That means you can cross vast stretches of desert without ever worrying about running out of fuel or charge. Here's why this matters. In extreme conditions, instant electric torque provides better control on sand and rocks than a traditional engine ever could. Compared to the naturally aspirated V6 in the current Land Cruiser, the G700's hybrid powertrain delivers more power, more torque, and better efficiency. On paper, it simply embarrasses the competition. Of course, raw power means nothing off-road without genuine capability, and this is where the G700 truly becomes a desert weapon. Let's start with the water wading depth of 900 millimeters, nearly 3 feet of water the G700 can drive straight through. It comes equipped with 3 differential locks, ensuring maximum traction in the most extreme conditions. The suspension features adjustable ground clearance ranging from 150 to 350 millimeters, letting you lower the vehicle for highway efficiency or raise it dramatically for serious obstacles. But the most jaw-dropping feature is the tank turn function. Using its independent electric motors, the G700 can literally rotate in place, spinning around its own axis to navigate tight desert canyons and trails. This is something almost no traditional off-roader can do. There's also a transparent chassis mode, which uses cameras to show you exactly what's happening underneath the vehicle, helping you place your wheels perfectly on tricky terrain. The off-road angles are equally impressive, with a 35-degree approach angle, a 28-degree departure angle, and a 21-degree breakover angle, all solid numbers for serious rock crawling and dune climbing. On top of all that, the G700 offers over 14 specialized driving modes that adapt in real time to sand, mud, and rock. And the electric motors are IP68 rated, meaning they're sealed for deep water crossings. Every single one of these features has been engineered specifically for the brutal demands of the desert. This isn't off-road capability for show, it's the real deal. Now let's step inside, because the G700 isn't just tough, it's genuinely luxurious. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive 35.4-inch panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard, delivering a futuristic, high-tech experience. The vehicle features the Falcon 700 Advanced Driver Assistance System, powered by Huawei's Chenkun architecture, offering Level 2 plus autonomous driving capabilities. Comfort is taken seriously too, with tri-zone climate control keeping every passenger comfortable no matter the outside temperature. The G700 is available in premium 5- or 6-seat configurations, and the interior quality genuinely rivals what you'd find in a Lexus or a Range Rover. Add in advanced connectivity, premium materials, and a full suite of comfort features, and the G700 delivers a level of luxury that perfectly complements its rugged capability. This is a vehicle that can conquer a sand dune in the morning and pull up to a 5-star hotel in the evening without missing a beat. And now for the part that changes everything, the price. In China, the Jetour G700 starts at around $46,300. In the UAE, pricing ranges from roughly 179,000 to 240,450 dirhams across 3 trims. Now compare that to its rivals. A comparably equipped Toyota Land Cruiser, Mercedes G-Class, or Land Rover Defender can cost double or even more. This is the value proposition that genuinely terrifies established brands. You're getting 904 horsepower, cutting-edge hybrid technology, serious off-road capability, and premium luxury, all for a fraction of what the legends charge. And Chery backs it up with a lengthy warranty of up to 8 to 10 years, adding real peace of mind for buyers hesitant about a newer brand. This aggressive pricing isn't an accident. It's a direct, calculated attack on the most established names in the off-road world. So what does all of this actually mean? China is making a bold, calculated move into the Middle East's toughest and most prestigious SUV market. For decades, the Land Cruiser has dominated these deserts, earning a reputation for bulletproof reliability. Now that dominance is under genuine threat. The bigger picture is clear. Chinese SUVs are no longer just budget alternatives. They've evolved into legitimate flagship challengers that can compete on power, technology, luxury, and capability, all while undercutting the competition on price. This is part of a broader strategy to dominate emerging markets where demand for rugged, affordable, high-tech vehicles is exploding. The big question that remains is trust. Will buyers abandon proven legends like the Land Cruiser for an exciting but unproven newcomer? That's the challenge Chery faces, But if the G700 delivers on its promises in the real world, it could genuinely reshape the entire off-road SUV market for years to come. So there you have it. The Jetour G700 is a 904 horsepower desert weapon aimed directly at the heart of the Toyota Land Cruiser's Homeland. It's powerful, capable, luxurious, and priced to disrupt everything. Whether it can truly dethrone the legends remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, China isn't China playing around anymore. Now I want to hear from you. Would you take the Jetour G700 over a Toyota Land Cruiser? Drop your answer in the comments below because I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest on how the auto industry is being reshaped. And check out my next video where I break down the Chinese SUVs that are replacing the Land Cruiser all over the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.